Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dragonfruit lemonade. Start by having 2 ripe dragon fruits and scooping the flesh into a blender. Add 1 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 cup simple syrup, and 2 cups cold water. Blend until smooth and strain if you prefer a silky texture. Taste and adjust sweetness, then chill for at least 30 minutes before serving over ice with mint. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin to keep things smooth and relaxed. You will need 2 dragon fruits, fresh lemons for 1 cup of lemon juice, simple syrup, and cold water. Use a blender and optional fine mesh strainer for a silky finish. Measure ingredients so you can tweak sweetness and tartness easily. Keep ice and mint ready for serving, and taste as you go to ensure balance. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and sticky spills while you make lemonade, and voice control makes cleanup hands-free. I love how it saves time so you can sip sooner. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it helps you out, consider it. Now let's get back to the video. Start by pureeing dragonfruit, lemon juice, simple syrup, and water in a blender until smooth and vibrant. If you prefer a clearer drink, pour through a fine mesh strainer into a pitcher, pressing gently to extract flavor. Taste and add more syrup or lemon for your preferred balance, then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Serve over ice, garnish with mint or lemon slices, and enjoy a bright, refreshing glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.